Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will answer a segment number 1, language in linguistic perspective. Many answer in a linguistic perspective, language may be then defined as a method system of communication used by humans to communicate meanings, message from thought and feelings, which construct from conventionalist elements or symbols such as sounds, words, phrases, and sentence and meanings. Number 2, language in physical linguistic perspective. The answer, humans are basically able to communicate using language because of two types of knowledge, namely tacit knowledge and explicit knowledge. Tacit knowledge refers to the knowledge possessed by humans to carry out various kinds of actions such as form of language use, for example, reading, speaking, listening, and writing. Explicit knowledge refers to knowledge of the process or knowledge of the mechanism of how our language use actions are carried out. Number 3, physical linguistic perspective in terms of language production is a series of processes that occur to generate language product in the form of utterance and experience. In physical linguistic studies, the main focus of language production is on spoken language without discussing written language production or sign language. This process involves the selection of words, sentence structure, and pronunciation to effectively convey meaning. Number 4, language perception can be defined as a physical linguistic process carried to attribute meaning to words, phrases, and sentences in verbal communication. In this context, language perception encompasses various phenomena such as word recognition, speech signal discrimination, judgment of linguistic structure, similarities, and understanding connected speech. This language perception is often considered synonymous with language comprehension, as both focus on how individuals understand and interpret message in verbal interaction. Language acquisition is the process by which individuals develop language skills such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing, learning or interaction with a language in the context. Language acquisition involves mastering various types of linguistic knowledge, including phonetic, phonological, morphological, syntactical, and semantical knowledge. This knowledge is stored in the human mind, allowing individuals to produce language, such as speaking and writing, as well as perceive language such as listening and reading to understand message. And last question, explain the difference and the sums of the three languages used in detail. My answer, similarities. These three processes are related to the use of language in communication. It's focused on different aspects, but they all complement each other in understanding and using language. They also involve important cognitive aspects in processing linguistic information. Difference: language production involves generating utterance and experience encounters on selection of words, sentence structure, and pronunciation to effectively convey meaning. I think enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.